Hi everyone and welcome back. So it's almost about a month since iPhone 14 is out in the market. I've been using my iPhone 14 Pro in deep purple color for the last few weeks and here are my thoughts. First of all, let's talk about the dynamic island. This is the first thing that you will notice when you will start using your brand new iPhone. It is definitely something new and better in some ways than that notch. But right now, it is having a lot of bugs. In some apps it works and in some it's just broken. Also, if you try to make a call, that audio dot is not shown in dynamic island. Instead, it is present here in this corner. So if you're just thinking to buy iPhone 14 Pro for the sake of dynamic island, just don't do it right now. Performance wise, phone is nearly identical to last year's iPhone 13 Pro. There is a 15% difference in performance with this year's chipset that you won't notice in day-to-day usage. Deep purple color is fine, but I think that Cera Blue on iPhone 13 Pro is a lot better and different looking, as this deep purple color often looks like a space gray iPhone in some lighting conditions. And I have noticed few dots/dust marks on the stainless steel frame, which are a bit more visible on this color even though I'm using it in a case since day one. Maybe this year's PVD coating is a bit different than last year's one, but I don't exactly know about that. The biggest upgrade this year is with the camera. Now it has a 48 megapixel sensor that can shoot super sharp and detailed images. Action mode is also something new that brings super steady video, but it crops the video and needs plenty of light. It has a Gen 2 OIS sensor, so normal video will look absolutely fine for day-to-day footage. Photos from this camera are really good. Sometimes they do look a bit dull, but you can always edit them in post. Macro mode is also better this year with better details and sharpness. Talking about the battery life, well, I'm getting a full day battery life with my iPhone 14 Pro, and even sometimes it lives for the second day too. With the latest iOS 16.0.3, it has improved a lot. I didn't need that Pro Max model due to its wide body and weight. Also, that extra battery life was just not for me. After a month, I'm pretty satisfied what Apple has done. But if you're coming from an iPhone 13 Pro, then the difference is just minimal. So these were my thoughts after using iPhone 14 Pro for about a month. Apart from that cosmetic damage on this deep purple color for unknown reason, I know stainless steel scratches, but still I'm happy with this iPhone. Let me know in the comment section if you have an iPhone 14 Pro and how's your experience till now with this phone. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.